Hello guys, welcome to another new video, in which you will get to learn a lot about currency trading. Today we will trade in Australian dollar versus US dollar. In this trading video we will cover each and every point of technical analysis so that you understand better. Let me explain to you where we can get good opportunity. We have kept this pair open on 1 hour time frame. First let's identify the trend. We'll apply this trend line on the lower low made a short time ago. Connect all these points well on trend line so that we can get the exact place to take trade. Now we have to create trend channel, for which take another trend line and connect it to the dot of lower low. From this we will get to know about the proper trend. How is the behavior of the market? It will act as trendline support. As soon as the market approaches this lower trend line, 70 to 80% chance the market will go back up, or we can get good buy opportunity. Our trend channel is complete. Now we will create a supply demand zone where we will get the exact place to take trade. For this we will use the rectangle tool that will find us a resistance support area, which will make it easier for us to place trade. There is a supply demand zone at this place. We'll try to cover all points around this zone. If we look at the history, the market would have reversed multiple times at this level. All these points are very important, where we get to know where the market has taken resistance and where support is taken. Market was in uptrend from last few days, later it happened a little in the sideway, and now the market was moving in a downtrend. You can see from where we created the supply demand level is very strong level. The market has taken resistance here. The market has reacted even further. All these points are very important, which will make it easier for us to take trades in future. Got support in this place. Got resistance here. Here again acted as support. Market broke down trend line here 3 hours ago. Also, this strong supply demand area has been broken and retested. From this we get the opportunity of buy trade here. It is a high probability trade where we can see good profit, which shows that the chances of going to market are very high. Our analysis is correct. There is a high percentage chance the market will go up from here, because the market has given closing above the supply demand level by breaking the trend line on the big time frame. I have deposited $4,000 in this account. What we will grow. Our analysis is complete. The market has started going up. I will place trades. We will follow proper risk management here. I am increasing lot size according to $4,000. I have taken 0.15 lot here, which is enough for this. You also use proper risk management. See you enjoy after placing all trades. Till then. Okay guys, we have placed the trade. Loss is running around $30. Our trade is placed at the right time, which will make it easier to risk management. My target point will be above 60 pips. Here I am following the risk to reward ratio 1 to 2. You too bring it into your trading style and then check your result. You will always be in profit. Your loss will be very less. I have set target point and stop loss. Our entry is on right time. Now we have to wait. When will the market hit our target point or stop loss? Let's see what reward the market gives us. According to us, the analysis is correct. Now no one knows how the market will react. If the market goes against us, our stop loss will be hit. Very nice. Guys, we have achieved this target after 2 days. Here's why the market has gone up so much, because CPI news came at 6 p.m. Because of that there was too much buyers here. This trade had a very long time. You have to be very patient to target it and follow your rules. The market reacted as we analyzed. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, the market had broken the trend line and went up to retest, or we made good profit. My target has been achieved. I am closing all my trades. Never be too greedy. Greed is a bad force. Always follow your system and stick to your rules. Never break them, only then will you be able to become a successful trader. My profit is running $3,359, which I am closing now.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating.
We made $4,000 deposit, which has grown to $7,389. If we see its return, it is 80% of our account, which is quite right. The market has respect to our setup. We did trade place at this place, and my stop loss was below supply demand level, and my target point was here. If you can see, then there is also a pattern of candlestick made here. For this, we will take a trend line which will be connected on these above dots. Here's another trend line and place it on the same angle.
Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro.
Market gave a breakout here and then retested and went up. Such indicators are rarely available in the market, which are for high probability trades. Hope to learn something from this live trading video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
Welcome to unrealization. We came prepared to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I feel it with the nation. To raise the flag and do the preparation.